Hello, in front of me I've got LG Q6. Today I'm gonna show you different ways to unlock this phone. Firstly, go to Settings, then slide down and enter Lock Screen. Select the first option, select Screen Lock and unlock it if you got password. Here we can choose No Lock Screen, Swipe to unlock, draw a pattern to unlock the screen, enter a numeric PIN, or enter a password. Swipe lock screen is nothing else than just swiping up screen to unlock. Pattern is setting your own pattern to unlock. And to unlock screen, you have to write this pattern again. PIN is setting your own PIN to unlock the phone. And the last password is your own password to unlock the phone. So you see, you can also choose face recognition. To choose face recognition, you have to unlock your phone with the different way. For example, pattern, and now you have to set your face like this. Next, next, next. And it should be done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.